In this video, we highlight the typical considerations for fixing RYOBI Link wall rails to a masonry wall. The following should be considered with each wall rail to be installed: the weight of each item to be supported, the weight rating of each link wall rail accessory for that item, the total weight being supported by the link wall rail, the construction type of the masonry wall the link rails will be fixed to. Once you have all this information, it can be established as to what type of wall anchors will be needed. Remember, this is not an instructional video. We recommend seeking the advice of a qualified tradesperson to work out your individual requirements. Let's have a look at a basic example of a link rail being fixed to a domestic brick wall. Standard domestic brick walls are constructed using solid or semi-hollow bricks, secured into position with mortar. Each layer of bricks and mortar is called a course. The bricks on each course are positioned offset to increase the strength of the wall. Link rails are secured to the wall with suitable load-rated wall anchors or fasteners that have been inserted into the brick wall. Most wall anchors expand as correctly sized screws or bolts are driven into them. This creates a very tight fit in the bricks, securing the rail at each point. A minimum of 4 fasteners evenly spaced per rail is required, although 6 may be needed to accommodate storage of heavier items. Maximum holding strength will be achieved when fasteners are inserted into bricks rather than into the mortar. This should be considered when positioning and marking holes for the fasteners. Holes are made using a hammer drill with masonry bits specified by the fastener. In this example, nylon wall anchors are then inserted into each hole. The link wall rail is then repositioned back on the wall and secured into place using flat head screws. The gauge and length of the screws are specified by the wall anchors. The wall rail is then ready for the link hooks, bins and toolboxes. To learn more how-to tips and tricks, go to ryobi.com.au or check out our YouTube channel. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest releases.
RYOBI, a cut above.